Well, it looks like I found my leak. Valve stem's leaking. A little soapy water. Feed looks to be fine. And that valve stem is definitely leaking. Brand new valve stem. Well, it's, brand new when I mounted the tire. The tire's probably been on there a year. Okay, well, I'm gonna break the bead down on just the top side of the bead and pull that valve stem out. And I may have to get a file and file that hole a little bit, just deburr it. Don't get too crazy because you'll open the hole too wide. But let me look at it and see. That's the original wheel to the trailer, I believe. It's gray. So I don't know what happened there. Let's look at it and see what happened. Okay, so I got it broke loose enough where I can get in here and put a new valve stem in it. So let me do that right quick. And I got this little valve stem tool I bought off Amazon. And a lot of times you have to put something up under it. Give yourself a little bit of leverage. I'll show you how this works, but just simply pull straight down. It pops the valve stem out. Hold your hand under the bottom to catch the bottom part of the valve stem that doesn't come out. The damn thing just pulled the guts out of the, they make everything so cheap nowadays. Let me go grab a box cutter and I'll just cut the bottom of the stem out. Be right back. And there it is. I just simply took that box cutter right there and just kind of cut on the top side. Just took my thumb, just pulled it over and just cut through it. Cut it right on off. Toss that to the side over here. And the hole looks okay to me. Got a little burr right there. Actually, I see it now. I do see a little burr right there. How about that? Let me go get my rat tail file and clean that up. This little thing right here is handy. It's a farmer's jack. I mean, farmer's a tire changer. It's kind of handy, especially on small trailer tires. It will do a small car tire, medium-sized car tire. You get into truck tires and stuff like that, it's it'll do them. And it's a pain. It's a real pain. But very handy on stuff like this. I just poured a slab on the ground, probably a couple inches thick, mounted my through bolts, and she's down. I ain't any problems with it moving. It's in there pretty good. Okay, so I went on and brought the tire out, put it on the tailgate of my shop truck, and there's several videos on the YouTube channel on the shop truck. We were going to go through it this winter and really give it a chassis overhaul, but God, I need it so much I can't get it off the road long enough. And once I get it in the shop, jack it up, it's going to take several months to, if not 6 months, as slow as I am, to fix everything. So I went on and put it back in service. All right, let me get the rat tail file. I got 2 here, and let's just knock that burr off. That's all I want to do is knock the burr off. I don't want to oval the hole any better than it already is. Okay, that only took a few seconds. It deburred it pretty good. I had my hand down here to keep as much of the shavings as possible going in the tire. All right, let's lube that valve stem up, the new one, and put it in. All right, just took a little liquid wrench and just kind of went around the bottom part of the valve stem where it's got to slide through, and just took my tool here and just got it about right there and just pulled it right on through. So the valve stem is installed. Let's see if we'll pump it up and we'll see if it leaks. Now I got to take the core out. Maybe not, since it's seated on the bottom. I may be able to blow it up just like it is. Let's try that. Alrighty. Let's put a little air in it. See if we can't get it to reseat. There she goes. It'll make a little pop when it seats. You don't want to stick your fingers down in there. But no. Boom, there she goes. All right, I've got a couple of air gauges here. I do still have the core in it. I think it takes 55. Let's see what we got there. Brought a couple of different air tools, air gauges. That one's showing 34. And this one here is showing 34 also. All right, how about that? Tell you what, let's see if we're leaking while we're right here. Get that soapiness is going again. I think we're all right, guys. I don't see no leak. think we got it. Put a little more air in it. What's going on here? Like I said, I think we're gonna go to about 55. Let that compressor catch up to me. It's 44. Cut you off, I'll show you with that compressor. I'll tell you what, this should have enough to go. There's 50. Check the leaks one more time. It's good, don't see anything, no bubbles at all. I need 5 more pounds there, or something close to that. Still saying 50. What is going on here? I hear it going in. There we go. Okay, the thing bounces out at 50. That's what the problem is. Alright. 56 in it. That's perfect. That's great. Alright, let me go put this back on the trailer. I'll carry you and the tripod with you. The old cord that I took out of the valve stem I replaced, I saved those. I got a drawer with tire stuff, related stuff in it. Let me transfer everything over. I'll be right back. I got the tire out here. There's the wheel in question. Let me get those lug. I put the lug nuts on so I wouldn't drop in the grass. So let me take them back off. We'll jack the trailer back up. I like to put the jack right up under this and make sure you got room for the tire to clear. Get it high enough for it to turn. And once you get the wheel on, you set it back down and tighten the lug nuts up. But you get the wheel snug first. So I'm gonna set you up on the tripod. Kind of downhill, so I'm sitting on this tire, so I can't get one at a time. I'll fall over. It's a good time to check the axle, the hub grease too. I may have to use this trailer here in a couple of weeks. That's the reason I wanted to get this done. Look at that. Some kind of nest or something. I'll let it stay. What the heck. Probably from last winter anyway. I don't use this trailer as much as I used to. I bought this thing brand new, I think in 2012. This is 2025. But I took care of it and I worked it. It got beat up a little bit, but let me tell you how many sets of tires have been on this damn thing. Probably 4. Let's set this on right now. Looks pretty good. I think we got another year on these. Hope so. I got all the lug nuts loose. Now I'm going to jack the thing back up. Don't mind me. Get that where I want it, right there. Okay. Get them blocks out underneath it so we won't hit the tire. So what I do with my blocks, I put handles on them. Makes it a lot easier to handle them. So yeah, piece of cake, man. Easy to do, cheap. Makes it easier to walk around with them, handle them, move them wherever you need to. Okay. Jack that high enough? I don't think so. A lot of times when you're changing a flat, when you get the new tire's got air in it, so it's gonna be a little taller. You got to keep that in mind. Make sure you got a good safe place you're jacking it up. There we go. Should have brought my impact out. I'm old school. Man, I'll tell you what, it's a beautiful day. It's about 55, 60. There's probably 60 out here. Sunny. Yeah, definitely should have brought my impact. What was I thinking? Trying to give you guys a little bit of content if you've never changed a trailer tire. I know some of you folks are new in the hobby, and from what I've read from seen from these YouTube channels, these guys that rent trailers out, and these people that rent them don't know what they're doing, and they bring the trailer back damaged. They don't understand once you get how to work a trailer, how to back it. Sometimes they bring them back with flat tires. They didn't know how to change the tire, so that's why I don't rent mine out. So nope, I don't need the money that bad. An extra couple $100 a month would be nice, but man, I got to go through all that. All right, I brought the old-fashioned speed wrench, old-fashioned impact. Get the valve stem at the bottom. Snug them up. These are acorn nuts, so they'll kind of self-align. Still want to do a pattern, star pattern type thing. Skip every other one. I'll grab my torque wrench. Usually about 100 pounds-feet. Okay, so we got that. We're good. Let the jack down slowly. Don't be crazy. Ease it on down. Make sure you got a good working jack. Clear some room for you to get the jack through here. Okay. Get my breaker bar out, snug them down. They're all good and snug. Let me go grab a torque wrench. I'll be right back. All right, I got my torque wrench, and it's set on 100 pounds. This is a socket that works both ways. It's 3/4 on one side, 13/16 on the other. You just take a half-inch extension bar, stick in there. Ooh, getting out of breath. It's a clicky click. There's that one. and skip one. There we go. I like to go around one more time. Okay guys, so there you have it. Just torque down 100 pounds-feet, got 55 pounds of air. I'll check the tire pressure again every couple of days, just check on it. I think we're good though. Found that little bird, I got that bird down, that should have been the problem. I hope you guys got something out of that. Please hit that thumbs up and like button, share this video. If you've got somebody that's new into trailering or rents a trailer every now and then, have yourself a good spare and learn how to properly jack up the car. I use one of these little small mini jacks. It's easy to carry around and easy to handle. And if your trailer's not loaded, it's real easy to jack up. And if you got a loaded trailer, they make ramps. You can drive one wheel up. It'll usually get the other wheel off the ground. It wouldn't hurt for me to get one. I need to get one of those for those kind of situations if I have a flat with a vehicle on it. All right, folks, scroll down and hit some of the other videos, and we got a lot of content on the channel. Excuse me, a lot of content on the channel. And I hope you guys can scroll down and see something else you like. We got all kind of stuff on there. Watch those videos and hit the thumbs up on those and share those as well. All right, Bob out.